Hi everyone, welcome to Yal Cooking channel. This is our first review. Hope you will like it and enjoy it. Do you believe a washing machine cost is just 2500? Wait, please watch this complete video to know all about this washing machine. Come on, let's unbox this first. Let's check height and width. Box height is 29 inches. As you see with this 15 inches, I can easily lift, I think it would be around 10 kgs. Let me open this box. We have thermocol on the top. It's really lightweight. See how I can lift. That's all we have in the box, safety things. Let me check actual washing machine height and width. Around 25 inches height with this 15 inches. Let me check inside the box. This is warranty card and operating instructions. This is covering lid. This is to fix here for inlet water. Let me fix it. There are two variants in this washing machine, one for 6 kg, another one for 8 kg. In both variants, height and width are same. The actual difference is motor and impeller. In this impeller, we get 4 divisions in 6 kgs and 6 divisions in 8 kgs. This is 8 kg machine. 1/3 HP motor is used. In 6 kgs, you will get 1/4 HP motor. The body is complete high quality plastic, so we no need to worry about rust. This is inlet and this is outlet. This is where water goes in and this is where water goes out. We have to keep here when washing machine is working. When we need to drain, keep this down. This is 5 amps plug point and length is 1.7 meters. There is one more thing in this washing machine. Let's have a look. This is timer. You can set any time in between 0 to 15.
Timings are in minutes.
You should not turn anti-clockwise. It should only be turned clockwise. This is bottom of the washing machine. Just 4 legs we have. DLI. Devi Lakshmi Industries. They are located in Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu, India. They also manufacture water pumps and weight grinders. Alright, let's talk about the price. 6 kg model price is 2500 rupees plus GST 18%. Total 2950. And 8 kg model price is 3100 plus GST 18%. Total 3650. Additionally, you have to pay transportation charges. This is very useful for bachelors and small families and you can have as a backup. I already have a front loader washing machine which is around 35,000. However, I bought this for a backup. I bought these 2 accessories from local hardware shop to supply inlet water. I spent $100 for these 2. Alright, let's go and see how it works.
You may connect like this to your water tap.
I am connecting here for my convenient. I just cleaned once before I start using. We should add water first, then washing powder. Finally, we add clothes. I am setting timer for 15 minutes. Please make sure that you have water in washing machine before you turn on. Here you can see the washing machine rotates 30 seconds clockwise, then it waits around 5 seconds, then again rotates 30 seconds anti-clockwise. You can see that I have captured complete 30 seconds clockwise and anti-clockwise rotation. So this is how this machine has been designed. I don't see much wobbling, so it looks good for me. It's been 15 minutes, so the washing machine turned off itself. Let's drain the water. Let's add water again for rinsing. We are setting 5 minutes for rinsing. I forgot to mention that this washing machine has 1 year warranty. That's all. We are done. Ta-da! This here